I like this little stream. I wonder what this is for. Oh, I like this here. There's a nice stream here. It's supposed to be cool. I'm sweating. So I put my hour in. Usually I do 2 hours walk. 1 hour go and 1 hour come. Hey, thanks for joining. I'm on my walk. I'm trying to get persons to walk with me. So persons can join me who is willing. So we can form a little community. So you can let me know when we decide on time. And we do our exercise together. Hello. It's exercise time. So it's walking time. Health is wealth. And we have to invest in health. Health is wealth. So we have to invest in it. So it's exercise time. So I want persons to join me in exercise. I could walk here. This is somebody's house, it looks like. Okay, that's the park over there. Oh, may just turn down in it. Find my way. I found my way. A secret love. What? Thanks for joining. Thanks for coming on my exercise journey with me. It's a nice walk. Oh, hello. I have one person just joining, and they are already hopped off. So I'm going to come right at them. Ooh, I'm going to have a seat right now. I am going to have a seat. I'm a little bit tired. Then I pick up back the slot. Hello. Thanks for joining. Oh my goodness. Woo. Oh. Hi everybody. Hi to that one person. How you doing? Ooh. Oh my goodness. I want to have some weight to lose here. So I have to do some walk. Ah. So let's show you my surrounding. Is it nice scenery? I think. I am going to go shopping now, so you can come along with me. I will be going shopping. Oh. This is a nice good patch. There. Yeah. Nice long walk. Next time I'll go that way. Next time I will go there. Ooh. Find somewhere downtown and park. Hello. Thanks for coming on. Yeah. Thanks for coming on my live with me. I'm about wrapping up my walk.